Imagine this. You're packing for a weekend trip. The camera gear feels too heavy, the big drone is too bulky, but then you pull out a sleek little machine that fits in your hand, shoots buttery-smooth 4K at 120 frames per second, and carries a pro-level 1-inch sensor. That, my friends, might just be the reality with DJI's upcoming Mini 5 Pro. But there's a twist this Mini. Drone might not be so mini anymore. For years, the DJI Mini series had one superpower no other DJI drone could touch, staying under 249 grams. Why is that number so magical? Because in countries like the US, it means you can skip drone registration for recreational flying. Number. Paperwork. No fees. Just launch and go. But according to recent leaks, the Mini 5 Pro might tip the scales past that weight limit. And once you cross that line, you're in the same regulatory category as drones like the Air 3S. That raises a big question, if you have to follow the same rules anyway. Why not just buy the bigger, more powerful drone? Well, here's why. The Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a compact powerhouse. It's expected to feature a 48mm telephoto mode for cinematic close-ups, LiDAR obstacle avoidance so your drone doesn't turn into an expensive lawn dart, buttery-smooth 4K at 120 fps for stunning slow motion, and a 1-inch sensor for crisp detail and better low-light performance. This isn't entry-level tech anymore. This is pro-level imaging in a palm-sized package. Of course, DJI's own Air 3S still has its advantages. It packs two cameras, a 1-inch wide and a 1.3-inch telephoto, giving you more creative flexibility. It's heavier at around 720 grams, which means stronger motors, better wind resistance, and faster speeds. In low light or tough weather, the Air 3S will simply outperform a lighter drone. But the Mini 5 Pro holds its own in calmer skies and tight travel setups. It's a drone you can toss in your backpack without feeling like you're carrying a brick. Battery life is shaping up to be impressive too. Around 36 minutes with the standard battery, and up to 45 minutes with the Plus Pack. Price-wise, the Mini 4 Pro launched at $759. But rumors suggest the Mini 5 Pro could jump to $900, edging into Air Series territory. That price increase might make buyers pause and think about which drone truly fits their needs. The Mini 5 Pro seems to be moving beyond the travel drone category. Instead of just being the smallest and lightest option, it's aiming to pack professional features into a still compact frame. If you're a content creator, travel vlogger, or someone who wants top-tier video without lugging around a heavy case, this drone could be the sweet spot. But if you mostly fly in strong winds, shoot in extreme conditions, or need maximum stability, a heavier model might still win. So will the DJI Mini 5 Pro be a bold evolution or a risky gamble? That depends on what kind of pilot you are. If you value portability with pro features, this could be your dream machine. If weight limits don't matter to you, maybe the Air 3S or another bigger model makes more sense. Either way, 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year for drones. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Mini 5 Pro, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe for more drone news and reviews, and check out the videos on screen. One covers the full DJI Mini 5 Pro rumor roundup, and the other compares DJI's latest lineup head-to-head. You won't